I have lived my life as best I could, not knowing its purpose, but drawn forward like a moth to a distant moon. And here at last, I discover a strange truth. That I am only a conduit for a message that eludes my understanding. I have seen enough for one life.
I had a son. He passed away. I had a girl who loved me, and I threw that away. My mama died when I was a kid. And my daddy, well, I watched him die. That weren't soon enough. I guess I'm afraid.